Welcome to another Bite-sized PD. I'm Katie, your K-12 instructional coach with BNLT. Joining me today is my coworker, Louise Vaillancourt.
Thank you, Katie. Since last summer, iPads have been re-imaged. Unfortunately, older iPads that cannot take the updates had to be removed from our inventory because of security risks. You might have many iPads at your school. Some are CI iPads and others are regular iPads. CI iPads are assigned to specific students. You can tell a CI iPad because of its yellow sticker at the back. If you have a regular iPad with a white sticker, you'll know it's been re-imaged because of its purple background. Let's have a look at the image.
At the top right folder, you will find the README file. This file indicates how to request for additional apps to be installed, also notes all the apps that are currently installed on the image, as well as documents on how to get you started. It also has an image or a picture of what the image looks like.
In the Google folder, you'll find a variety of Google tools, including Slides, Classroom, and Jamboard. Always remember to sign out of the account when you're passing the iPad to someone else. In the audio-visual folder, you'll find a variety of tools to create books, videos, recordings, and digital content.
In the Math folder, you'll find well-known apps such as Geoboard and Desmos, but also a Mathagon, which allows you to use manipulatives. To use manipulatives, click on Polypad at the bottom, and then you'll be able to pull in a variety of manipulatives, draw on the screen, and add a grid. Remember that Mathagon is vetted to use without login, so you're not creating any account to save data you would take a screenshot or a video recording such as this one. In the language folder, you'll find books in English like Epic, books in French, Bookili, and Kids Podcasting and Kids Listen. You'll also find Go Talk Now and Lexia. A note about Google Translate, which has new functions, like conversations, where you can choose 2 different languages and have 2 different speakers. And so you could say things like, Bonjour, comment ça va?
Buenos días, ¿qué tal?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Très bien, et toi?
In the Other folder, you will find Minecraft for Education, for which all students and staff have accounts, Breather, which is a self-regulation meditation app, Mindomo, and Khan Academy Kids. Khan Academy Kids can be set up to have accounts for your whole class or specific students. It has a letter section where you can trace letters and start learning phonetics. In reading, you'll continue with phonetics, but also look at reading strategies. It is organized by grade, so you can look at kindergarten or grade 1 and 2. In mathematics, you'll have more complex problems like word problems, but also simpler, just counting activities and tracing numbers. In the book section, you'll find books organized by grades, but also by topics like, for example, dinosaurs. And you can also search for them by core curriculum. So this is the core curriculum from the United States, but you'll find there's a lot of crossover with the Ontario curriculum. So you can find specific, for example, addition, subtraction activities, or reading for a certain expectation as well. Remember that you can assign specific tasks to students if you want in assignments. That is optional. And if you do, you can track their progress by looking at the class reports.
As always, remember to log out of any accounts that you might have signed in, like your Google accounts, and to delete pictures and videos that are recorded on the iPad regularly. Back to you, Katie.
Thank you so much, Louise, and thank you for stopping by. If you'd like more in-depth iPad training, please reach out to myself or my partner Adele for coaching. You can find more Bite-sized PD on our Training and Support YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode. If you have something awesome that you'd like to share or you'd like to see something on a future episode, please make sure to fill out the form linked below this video. Take care.